Last problem then that we're going to do in terms of measuring bond performance, we're going to put our finance caps on and be finance people again and work with returns as being compounded and annualized. So the way a problem like this would work is, let's say you bought a bond for $825 2 years ago. The bond pays an $80 annual coupon and then was sold after 2 years for $950. What was the annualized compounded growth rate of return? For this one, it's going to be helpful for us again to dust off our old example of the timeline, because it will give us the guidance we need in terms of successfully plotting out the different variables that will help us to solve this problem. So let's plot it on the timeline, then we'll document it in Excel. So let's say you bought a bond for two years ago for $825. In this one, it is going to be critical because we are going to use Excel's formula features that are built in, that we have it in red and it's going to be a negative. This payment was given to us as $80 and then $80, and that happened then twice over the course of my maturity. Let me go ahead and get a maturity down here for us. I lost my maturity. I have no maturity. Let's try it again with this one. Okay, we'll use that one over here. And so the time period that you were analyzing here would have been 2 years. Now, there is no face in this case because you didn't hold the bond all the way till it matures, but rather you got a $950 sale price when you went to go ahead and execute the sale of that bond. And so what we're really asking then for again is, what is the rate that you would have earned on $825 growing into $950 when you got paid $80 per year over the course of 2 years? So present value, future value, payment, rate, and N per. We want to be very particular again about now keying in our negative for a cash flow out. Your inflow would be the $950. The payment you got was $80. The period was 2. I always like to update this. That's 2 years. That tells us that our rate's going to come annual, where our payment was annual. Solving then for rate, and we get over a 2-year period with a payment of $80 and a present value that you paid for originally of $825 and a future value of $950. The actual rate, oops, HK, all these 0, was close to 16.69%.